Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today we're doing the last background design giveaway drawing for the Wanderlust. It's the last two designs that will be released in the Wanderlust, not the last videos, just the last two background designs. And those are the doily and the text. And all you had to do to enter in to win is leave a comment down below the video, the last month's video, which I believe was November 20th. I'm pretty sure. So now the Wanderlust is available in the all sizes bundle in the doily, which is the large, medium, and small. It's also available in the large, medium bundle doily, and it's also available in the medium, small bundle of doily. And it's also available in the all sizes bundle text, large, medium, small, the large, medium bundle in text, and the small, medium bundle in text. So those are the last two background, actually, no, I just told you a fib. I actually went and put the new coffee stain background design onto the Wanderlust templates. I just felt like it needed to happen. So it will also be available in the all sizes, large, medium, small bundle coffee stain, the large, medium bundle coffee stain, and the medium, small bundle coffee stain. I just love that background design. So this one is also going to be added into the mix. They are all available in my Etsy shop currently. And while I'm talking about the coffee stain, I also went and put it on the Remnants Lovely Layers. So this is also available in my Etsy shop, the coffee stain. I just felt like I was looking at the different backgrounds from the Remnants Lovely Layers printable template, and none of them had this feeling, you know, this vintage feeling. So I decided to add that one to the Remnants Lovely Layers. I've already I've already got the video into the YouTube random comment picker, and it's already pulled up the comments. So I'm just going to hit start. So there's going to be two winners, and you'll need to contact me via the email down below. That's only for giveaway winners. And you tell me which background design you want, whether it be doily or text, and then we'll get you your winnings. So let's go ahead and start. The first winner is Zola Winnie. Congrats to the winners. Happy Thanksgiving. Zola Winnie. Let me write that down real quick. So you just need to contact me and let me know if you would like the text or the doily background. And just contact me through that email that's down below. What is today? Today's the 20th. Okay, so yeah, because you didn't have to pick a background design last video because there was only two left and they were going to be released either way. So I'm going to pick another winner, and I'm going to hit start. And that is, I really like your templates, that's cute. Myra Kosick. I'm sure I'm not saying that correct either. But congratulations. You also need to contact me through that email down below and tell me which background you want, whether it's text or doily. And we'll get the ball rolling on that. Okay, so also I have a coupon code for you guys. And it's a pretty good coupon code, I think. It's kind of my gift to you guys for the holiday season. And it's actually going to be good from today, after this video goes public, to Christmas Eve. So it's going to be good the 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, I believe. So that's 5 days. And you can use it as many times as you want. There is a minimum purchase of $10. And it's good for your entire purchase, everything in my shop, as long as there's a $10 minimum purchase. And it is for 40% off. So here is the coupon code, GIFT40, GIFT40. And it's good for 40% off everything in my shop. Now, you can do that two ways. All this information will be down below in the show more description box section. You can either enter this code in when you're checking out, or you can hit the link down below if you want it to automatically take off the 40%. However, I've discovered that when people are hitting that link where it's supposed to automatically take off the 40%, sometimes they're not logged in and they purchase as a guest, and that does create quite a bit of a headache. So if you just want to hit that link below to get the 40% automatically taken off of your purchase, then be sure that you are logged into your account and that you're not purchasing as a guest. But if for some crazy reason it doesn't work, then just contact me through your purchase and I will take care of it. So I did have some issues last time where people were saying that things weren't, wasn't being taken off or whatever. But if you contact me during the time period that the coupon code is still active, I will honor it. So even if you didn't make your purchase yet, I will help you through that process, and then, you'll get your 40% off. So just contact me. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't take your 40% off, I will refund your percentage after purchase. There's nothing I can do before purchase, but after purchase, I can refund your 40%. And again, a $10 minimum purchase. So this is just my gift to you guys. For the next 5 days, you can use it as many times as you want. You can buy as much as you want, or as little as you want, as long as it's a $10 minimum purchase. So I just wanted to wish everybody a happy holidays, and I hope you guys enjoy this time with your friends and families, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.